Thanks for tuning in today. Again, my name's Nathan. I'm going to be going over the 2023 Coachmen Apex Nano. That's the 194BHS. This is going to be a single axle unit, full aluminum cage construction. So very lightweight unit. Going to target kind of the mid-size SUV, smaller truck market. Friendly family too. You're going to have big 30x74 double over double bunks in the rear of the coach. Unit's going to be complete with a north-south bed there in the front of the unit, double over double bunks there in the back. It's going to be a total of 3,634 pounds dry. Like I said, very towing friendly there. Cargo capacity of 1,100 pounds and an exterior length of 22 feet 8 inches. Thanks for tuning in today here, guys. My name's Nathan, going over the 2023 194BHS. That's made by Coachmen. It's going to be the Apex Nano. Right up top here, you notice a 20-pound propane tank cover that will have the auto switchover valve in there, automatically switch over the tanks. One 12-volt deep cycle battery, and also plenty of room there on the tongue to add a second battery, complete with the box. Full fiberglass front cap here. Automotive grade windshield that's tinted, very important. I like the windows tinted, saves on the sun fading the interior as much, cracking, anything that those sun rays could do to your coach. Complete LED lighting here on the front nose cap. Down here, you're gonna have your complete pass-through storage there. You're gonna have a door on the other side to grab stuff that might slide across. Over here, they do 2 USB chargers, a 12-volt car charger style port, and then you have your off and on light here for your light on your pass-through storage. Solid surface steps here made by Lippert. Those will fold right up for safe travel. Big full-length awning of the whole entire side of the camper almost. LED lighting too. Over here, I'm gonna have your water heater access panel. Gonna have your off-road package here. That's gonna be a 2-inch axle lift from the manufacturer. Have your 110 outlets, outdoor TV, whatever you wanna plug in there. Back over here is gonna be your camp kitchen. Gonna have a small mini refrigerator here, bottle opener, flat storage space, and then you have your 2-burner cooktop. Now to the inside of the coach here. Tucked away in the front cap, you're gonna have your north-south style bed. You guys would essentially lay this way. Having it north-south instead of the east to west, like I call them, that cuts a lot of your living quarters. Having the bed this way saves you a lot of room in the inside here. Front storage over there for chargers, if you guys are charging an iPad, CPAP storage. Storage over the head too, big deep storage goes all the way back. Windshield, automotive grade windshield. If you guys have an awesome camp view there in the mornings, flip up that visor there and you guys have full view of your campsite. Over here, big other window, TV backer. There's gonna be a backer in here that you would install like your pull-out style TV mount with your cable inlet and your guys' 110 outlets. Now to the slide out area of the coach. This dinette, lots of storage underneath. Storage that will go all the way to the wall over here. Big window while you guys are viewing. If you're sitting here playing cards or it's a rainy day, you guys can look out the window here. Lights above you. This will drop down and lay flat. Cushions go on top of that. That's another sleep hangout area. 2 small children, 1 adult can fit right there perfectly. Behind me over here is going to be your Dometic gas electric refrigerator. So nice deep storage, and they also add a little pocket here for additional storage. On the camp side, kitchen side of the coach here, lots of storage, overhead storage above here. Lights, mushroom style that you can choose, come off and on with the lights. Going to have a sink cover here. It's a big farmhouse stainless style sink. That cover adds for more counter space if you're not using it. 2-burner cooktop made by Suburban. Down here you guys have your standard microwave. Furnace below that, kind of like a pantry style setup over here, nice deep, goes all the way to the wall. Below here all of your fuse panels. And then back behind me, you guys are going to have your double over double bunks. So you guys will have your light back there. There's going to be USB chargers. Make sure you guys stay charged up during the night. And now to the rear of the coach, you guys will find the master bathroom here, complete with a foot flush style, RV style toilet, stainless steel faucet. On the left of that, all of your tank controls, battery controls, tank levels, water pump controls right there. Above that, on the side, you're gonna have your towel holder, your medicine cabinet that will open up and have storage behind it, and your 3-speed attic fan. Over on the right side, you'll notice your tub complete with a big skylight. That's about 3 to 4 more inches of headroom for the taller guys. And then down to that, you guys will have your shower complete with your walk-in style tub. Thanks for your time today here, folks. Again, my name's Nathan Anderson. I can be reached here at 937-649-5823.